Okay.
We're filming right now. It is it's
damn.
June 17th, Friday 2016. We're in Greene County, Missouri. Springfield. There's a lightning warning and there could be a possible severe thunderstorm warning. We are driving around Mercy Hospital. There is lightning strikes to the ground all around. We're seeing them. There's it's pretty windy. It's nice and perfect for a nice twisty one to come down.
Crazy.
It's right like over here.
Yes. Let's check this out. This is some shit. We are at Sunshine and Fremont. Oh my God, Sunshine and Fremont. Cars are clickety clacking. You know, lightning striking, motherfuckers not going inside. Where? Oh shit, it's over there. Talking. Oh my fuck, that was so fucking close.
So close.
Oh my God, excuse my language. I am about the best reporter.
Did you get it?
No, I don't know if I got that
shit.
shit. That shit's coming up close, dog.
Oh shit, we're starting to get into kind of the center of it here, so we just don't touch your door, DJ. It's all metal.
I know, I got an all metal car. Oh my fuck.
Just film like straight.
Well, I'm filming at an angle so I can
Got
get that area over there.
Oh man. It's
Oh
about
my
to get
hell.
a little,
Oh my gosh. Does everyone see this? This is like video recording. I'm gonna go back and forth so you can see it all happen. Oh my. I mean, did you guys see that shit? That is something. I'm glad I'm recording this, so just in case I get struck, you know.
Yeah.
We know why. I was acting like a fool going out in the middle of a fucking lightning storm that we just got warned about.
Yeah. May not be the smartest idea, but it's in the name of science.
We need to like go that way.
In a sense.
We need to go that way.
We need to go to the right.
Yeah, it's happening over there a lot. Like, see, I mean, it keeps on happening. Oh, see, jeez, it's just happening in that.
Oh my gosh, dog, this is a lightning storm. We're in the middle of a fucking lightning storm, dog.
I know, that'd be crazy if my car got struck.
Don't stop saying that.
It's not. Just don't be.
That'd be.
Just don't freak
wild.
out. Yeah.
I mean, I know it's got
Oh
fucking just don't touch the door, dog. Got rubber on it, but this door don't have a panel. It's all straight metal.
Metal. I'm glad I.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Please do not let me die right now, Lord. That was crazy. I don't know if we just got hit or if that tree just got hit, but that was like, I felt the heat on that.
Oh my fuck.
My arm hairs are standing up.
My hands are standing up in my fucking hair right now. Like, dude, like, you don't even know. It is fucking crazy right now. Oh, dude, did you see how close that shit was? Oh my gosh. I'm glad I am not an actual storm chaser. I am not getting paid for this shit.
I know, damn it. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Hitting curbs and shit.
I didn't hit the curb.
Idiot. Oh my hell. You should get the fuck out of here.
Just get the fuck out.
I will record until we get back to your house, but shit on a stick, I am not. This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
That was a little close there, wasn't it?
Oh my God. Like, I literally got fucking, hairs.
Hey, but that was what we kind of were looking for here.
Yeah, but dude.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, I'm still fucking filming.
Same video?
Yeah, same video. It's gonna go until it just goes out. I got full battery.
It is It is.
Dude, that shit sent shocks through my. Oh my
god!
Oh my! That is happening over there. That is fucking crazy. That is so
Not
crazy.
go that way, dog.
Man, if I could tell you, I am too high for this shit. Dude, this is fucking crazy.
Oh my fucking.
No, dude, my eyes are like fucking puffing the fuck out right now because that shit's been so fucking close. I don't know how storm chasers do this shit, man. It's like freaky as fuck.
Holy shit! Oh,
We've had like
shit.
2. I can't wait to see this recording. I mean, it's gonna be batshit crazy.
Oh my god!
Like oh my hell on earth. I mean, you guys see how close this shit is right now.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, where is our location?
I have no
We
idea.
are at
Delaware.
We are at Delaware and Catalpa. I mean, you can't see that right now. I'm pointing at
on
nothing.
the ground, so
I mean, winds are about.
sucking a dick.
Oh my hell! You guys should have seen that one. That one was pretty fucking dope.
Look at these fat houses though.
I don't care about the houses right now. We got lightning.
We got rain, so we got.
I know it's gonna start pouring down rain, man. My windows are broken. Look at this, guys. Broken. Oh my gosh. You guys gotta come out to experience this, man.
Yeah, it is. It's something, ain't it?
Man.
It's going east.
Look, you hear that? There's even fucking planes up there.
No, there's not.
Yeah, dude, I thought I could. Maybe that was just
A
lightning.
plane will not go through a lightning storm.
Dude, this is crazy.
I mean, they can, but it's good. They probably won't.
So
Oh,
guys, we are
shit.
now entering, for some reason, we are on
Did
Glenstone.
you see that? Did you get that?
I hope I did. We are on Glenstone and Catalpa turning
Right.
right on Glenstone, heading towards Cherry. Passing the Plaza Towers. We are about to see some live action, hopefully.
It's over here. Get
I mean,
over
I
here.
really don't want to fucking see this shit right now.
There you go.
I mean, everyone's trying to get the hell out of here. I mean, this shit's crazy. Oh my hell, did you guys see that? We're right behind Walmart on fucking Glenstone. Your friendly neighborhood market, by the way. As you guys can tell, this is where we are at. This is gonna suck. I mean, apparently we're gonna get more live into the action right now.
Just a little bit there.
Just a little bit there, Nick. Oh my hell, did you guys see that? I keep on missing the big ones, guys. I don't know where they keep on coming from. They're like all over the place right now. I mean, but you're gonna see some live action.
Oh, they're gonna see some live action.
This may be a long ass video, but damn, storm chase, niggas. We're your friendly Springfield neighborhood,
There's one.
whatever majiggers. What are we? We are your friendly neighborhood storm chasers.
There you go. Getting all types of wet.
Oh shit!
This is not
Rain on me. Oh my
Oh!
fuck sticks.
We should definitely, we're gonna go ahead and go back to the crib here.
Oh my hell, dude, this shit's making it look all my phone look shitty. I mean, this shit's getting fucking crazy. You should probably turn around soon.
Oh, we're going.
Yeah, for sure. Get the fuck out of this shit storm.
Oh, we're gonna go turn around. We just gotta get the right shot.
Holy hell on earth.
You just get that shot. As it's coming. Oh, there's a good one.
I mean, you can see the clouds all nice when the lightning strikes.
Get it over here. Let's see.
I got this. I am your storm chaser broadcaster guy. Oh man.
It's over there now.
Oh,
you got
hell,
that?
Yeah, I got that part. So I don't know if I'm working tomorrow. Did you guys? Damn, that was crazy.
I seen it. Man, I feel bad for anybody walking around with an umbrella.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, that was something. Oh, I feel bad for him.
Yeah, that's
Look,
a
guys, your
big-ass
friendly
metal
neighborhood
truck.
trash man doing his daily duties.
It's a big ass
I
metal
feel
truck.
bad, man. Yeah, that's a big ass metal truck.
Yeah, I feel. Oh, shit's starting to rain bad, bro.
Guys,
Oh,
look,
yeah.
this is, oh man,
Oh,
this is Missouri for you.
it's sun. It was sunny today.
Yeah, then all hell broke loose for some reason.
Oh yeah.
At the car wash. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're going back to the crib because that's enough action for tonight.
We live at an undisclosed location.
Yeah, so we use the crib as our keyword.
Keyword, the crib.
But thank you for watching. It's been an adventure. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as we have.
Yeah.
Post your comments below, and fuck you if you're hating.
Shit went crazy tonight. And you didn't stop it, but you know you tried.